to the Matsuri.
Ingat pa to sa pared, no?
Okay. You have a razor? We're going to Matsuri. Yeah.
させていただきます。集団行動をとるので、集合時間、集合場所は必ず指示に従ってください。集合時間は12時半に。トイレはその時済ませておいてください。おにぎりを配りますが、集合時間より先に欲しい子は子供陣営に。
Hello. Hi. Hold mama. Do not be scared. Wait. Wait. Gotcha. Hi guys, we are here at Hamamatsu Kite Festival. So grabe yung tao guys. Ayan, naghahanap kami ng place na pwede kaming kumain kasi medyo gutom pa ngayon. This one? Kare? Ah, Super Mario na lang. Kare desu ka?
いいですよ。下にそのまま引っ張ればいいでね。下に引っ張れば取れます。持ってって大きなとこね。どこでもいいでね。
Okay, let's give it a Kyokon. Come ate. The famous Julian pancake here in Matsuri. So it was originated in Osaka. So right now it's popular. So nakita ko siya dito sa stall. So I'm gonna try. It's very long jumbang. Haba ng pila. Kaya I have to wait. Para matry lang yung 10 yen pancake na yan. It's almost 12:30 and we are told to go back to our camp, to our meeting place. So the Matsuri, so much fun ate. Hi.
座敷の空に上げることがタコが。
Go to Papa. Sit over there. Arigato gozaimasu. Wow. Arigato gozaimasu. Wow. Arigato gozaimasu. Ito sa bus. Day 2. Ay, Papa. Lahi na po din ng mga grupo karami ng nagsakay. What's up, guys? It's second day today. Ayan, we are so busy eating the okashi that we got. So, happy second day, Matsuri. It's like a noodle chicheria. Saan natin? What is that?
Panic.
Panic? Ala, ala, ala.
Mama, did you hear?
Yeah. Yeah. Panic. Scary food.
That is my favorite food.
Taiyaki. It's like a apa. No? Kyoko. Sleep lang si Kyoko, no? Ate, you want to lay down, ate? Ay, na-sleep si ate. Puyo. Lay down here, lay down. Bye-bye, kite! Bye-bye na kite, ate. Maybe tomorrow you will not, go here. No? Where's the Nipashi kite? Where are you? Los kate. Where's Nipashi? Over here. Sa pagkita.
You are a donut.
I love my kids. Did I get it? Hi, there's a Matsuri in the Machi. Come. Kite, tako. Yosuke's eating ice cream. Yummy ice cream. We're waiting for Ne? Maybe 3 times kami magsa-stop para kung magkain. So we stop here at the bakery here or the cake shop here in Nipashi. Pan, Ate will eat pan. Ate Iris, do like that. Break. So mag-toyre muna
I don't
kami.
know how to say that.
Yeah. So it's a break time. We're going to Intetsu. Hi, what's up? Toyre kami. Ate, where are you? Ate is eating again. Ate is eating suika.
Suika-san.
Suika. Yummy? Tapos na yung night parade, tapos na rin yung Matsuri. So, thanks for watching. Till next year again, Nipashi. Yasumi na-san!